already?
Yeah, bring it out, dude.
The lasers look so cool and the branches and up there. You see that?
Yeah, let's start walking.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Right now. Alright, let's see what we got. How, does that go back all the way? Does that look like it's pointing the right way?
Yeah.
Are you ahead of us? Yeah, I'll hold that water jug.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. A lot of foresty shit going on around here.
Lots of forest. Look at that.
Dress up in like 10, like you're in 1920s party. Get out of these spots and bring this to
So they can get her?
When there's more dust. What's up, dude?
On my video at a good angle, you know?
Looks pretty good.
I have 5 minutes so far. I just want to make it look like it's one
Like right behind us.
Yeah, it's like right over my shoulder, so it feels like.
Alright, how are you holding it?
Like that. So hold like that.
That's good then.
It's like basically like behind him.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. I'm angling it towards the back of his head, kind of.
No, yeah, I don't want to see my head.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to see his head though.
You don't want to see your head at all?
No.
Hold it like
You want to
this.
be above it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So start
Yeah.
steep angle.
All right,
just
so
like
up then. Hold it up.
Like that. I don't want to move my arm though. That's my thing.
Can you hold it there?
Yeah, I'm good.
So this is like that. Straight ahead. Do you want it up a little bit, down a little bit?
Yeah. Straight,
It's going straight out.
straight out. Good. I just want to catch all of it.
Yeah, hold it at that angle, yeah.
I'll be the lighting.
Yeah. All right, we'll follow you around steady cam.
Yo, Claudia.
Yeah,
Yo, can
Claudia.
you hold this water? Hold my. Yo, make sure nobody bumps into me, dude.
Steady
Fuck.
cam. Come on.
Just walking like
Holy
this.
shit. Dude.
Is that not like fucking dying right now.
Go that way, Ben. Take a right.
Whichever
Loop
way is
back.
the closest way out of this fucking house. This is fucking hard. Well, I breathe in this smoke.
Wow, it's so dumb. Is this a way through?
You're basically gonna loop back where we were before to get food. Do you want to go back towards Porter?
Just go by
It goes like this.
Porter's that way. Yeah.
Oh shit, where'd they go?
Yeah, there's still something about that one.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yo, look at that little house. The little house with the
That really amazing, man.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it like this.
Yo, how do you get to the top of that? There's different levels.
Oh, yeah. Colors.
It's like a giant treehouse.
This kid's got a moon mat. He's like set up in there, dude.
He's got a moon mat up there?
These guys on the top, the third one up.
They're like setting up in there.
Dude, they got a moon mat.
They're not just going through. They're like, that's where we stay. It's our fortress for the night.
Just playing around in the fucking treehouse.
Big, once you get in there,
They have that whole floor themselves and claim that.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
so jealous.
Dude, you know how rare it is to get something like that for your
That's cool.
Yo, do you think they're doing the dongs?
Dogs.
God, this is dusty.
Smashing dogs over here.
You guys smashing dongs still? Yo, is this where you smash dongs?
Are you doing dom smash?
Gotta get your dog smashed.
Dong smashers are on a break right now.
Yeah, we should just start it up. Like, let people line up. Pretend we know what we're doing.
Yeah, we'll pay him $20, $20,
Start
$20.
charging people.
$20 to get donged.
We'll open it up and we'll start
You guys trying to get donged?
You guys want to get dogged?
Trying to get donged, bitches.
Trying to get dogged.
How big of a dong do you want? Coming from all angles.
Sorry guys.
It's alright.